Tony. What are you doing today? You playing Chuchu train? So how are you gonna play with those one? What train is that one? Is that Thomas and train? Oh, how are you gonna play those one? Oh, where's your train? Okay, get your train and try. Oh, where is it? Okay, come on, put it here on the train track. Here's your Thomas train. Yeah, you put it here on the truck. Not there, here on the train. Your train. On the top. Whoop. Then pull this one. Here there. Come on, put your train. Leave it there. Good job. Another one. Wait in here. Wait your train. Oh. Come on. Your turn. Good job. Another one.